Hello everyone, in this video I'll teach you how to schedule a post on Facebook. So yes, first go into Facebook, make sure that you have stable Wi-Fi and you are logged into your Facebook. Now the first thing you need to make sure that you have created a page. For that you will simply go into the three horizontal lines at the top right corner and you have the option of pages, so click here. And make sure you have already created a page, but if you have not created a page you can simply click on create and you may write the name of the page and you will get your page created. I have already created a page right here, so simply I click on it and I click on this post icon right here and you may post something. And now the main thing is you click on share icon. Alright, now what it says is scheduling and additional posting features are available in the Pages Manager app. So simply you install this application, you click on this blue highlighted thing, and since I have already downloaded the application, it directly leads me through this page. But if you have not downloaded, I'll teach you with the help of a clip right on your screen. Now you click on create post and you may write something and you may attach some photos or videos, so maybe photos or videos for right now, and you may select a particular photo, maybe this one, and wait for it to load. Now you click on done. So the main thing is now you click on next right here and it shows the option of publish now and schedule for later at the bottom. So click at the third option and it shows if you want to schedule it for today or some other day. So you click on OK and maybe at the same time and schedule. So yes, after you have selected your respective day and date, you click on schedule and then you have the notification already. It says Facebook upload complete and your post will be uploaded on Facebook at respective time, the day and date. I hope this was really helpful. If it was, make sure to hit like, and till then keep learning, keep exploring. Bye bye.